Hey guys, so some of the feedback I got yesterday on the scavenger hunt was that it would be nice to like for me to step through and kind of show what I had in mind for you to do for this activity. So I'm going to do that. I'll start with the overview section. And what I saw somebody doing this morning, which I thought was a really good idea, was copying, I don't remember who it was, copying and pasting into the procedure section. So if you're going to work on the overview, then you have that kind of right here. So we can go to the overview, and again, you can get to the help here by choosing reference guide, or you can also click on this question mark actually and go to the fundamentals. On the Mac it might look a little bit different. I think it says MicroWorld's EX help, and then there's a choice of fundamentals on the side over here instead of the tabs here. But anyhow, you should be able to navigate your way to overview. I'm going to look at overview. And then let me click back to the question a second. So the first question is, how do you get back to the welcome screen? So right now I don't have the welcome screen in front of me. So let me see what it says about that. The welcome screen seems like a good place to start. So it says the first time you launch MicroWorld EX, you see this welcome screen. And then it talks about the different modes, the different buttons for different modes: free mode, open project, tutorial, samples, and quit. And then right here, returning to the welcome screen. When working in MicroWorld's EX, you can always return to this welcome screen by clicking on this button, and there it is. So you see, it's not always trivial. I mean, sometimes you need to do some hunting to find things in here, but it's worth practicing, picking your way through and trying to find things, because then after a while you kind of get used to it. You kind of get an idea of where things might be. So here I said you just need to click on this button. So let's try that. And it says, it says that this button is at the extreme left of the toolbar. And the toolbar is this thing up here. Okay, and here's the back to welcome screen button on the extreme left. So let's go up here. Here's our toolbar, and here's our welcome screen. And it's asking us if we want to save changes to the project. Yeah, what the heck? I'll save it. Oh! Refers to a location that's unavailable. So I guess I better try a different location then. How about just plain old Bits and Blocks 1 and say scavenger hunt demo. Save. And now I'm back at the welcome screen. And I could choose free mode and just go into something else, or I might as well just reopen the project I was just looking at. How about that? So I'm going to go to Bits and Blocks. Yeah, scavenger hunt demo. And I'm back. Okay, cool. So that's how you do the welcome screen. How about how do you add pages to a project, and how do you remove pages? So again, I'm going to look at the help, overview section, and pages right here. So adding pages, a new project starts with only one page, named page 1. To add more pages, click the new page button, or choose new page from the page menu. And then your new page appears at the bottom of the pages menu. Okay, so here's the pages menu. Alright, I'm going to go back here. So let's try it, adding pages. So it looks like I can add pages. Oh, here it is, new page. And so now I have, page 1 and page 2. Or I can use this page menu, new page. And now I have page 1, page 2, page 3. Okay, how do you remove pages? Let's see. that was adding pages. Let's scroll down. And transitions. Removing pages. Select remove from the page's right-click menu in the project tab. What is the project tab? Let's click here. There are 4 tabs in the tabs area. 5 if you're using robotics, if you're doing robotics. Okay, blah, blah, blah. So we need to look for something that looks kind of like that. Procedures, project, and so on. Yeah, again, it's not really clear where we're supposed to see these, but let's see if we can find them in here. Oh, looks like right down here. Procedures, project, processes, shapes, right? And they said pick the project one, and if I right-click here, remove. Yeah, okay, remove it. Why not this one too? Okay. There we go. So now we just have one page again. Okay, and then the last question is how do you name pages? Let's see. Naming pages. I'm going to click on pages again. Oh. Maybe if I click. How do I click here? How do I do? There it is. Okay, naming pages. Pages are given default names, but you can rename them. There are 3 ways to rename a page. Either right-click on the pages icon in the project tab and select edit name. Let's try that one. Project tab, right-click, edit name, my page. Yoink! There it is, my page, and if I look here under pages, my page. How about that? And what else? So that's one way to do it. Select name page in the pages menu. Pages menu, name page. Your page. Yoink. Okay, good. And there it is, and it's renamed to your page. Or, what else? Use the command name page. You know what? I'm going to save that one. Basically, commands you can put in different places, including the command center. Oh, you know what? This one you didn't need to do, but why don't I just show you anyway? People might be curious. So if you want to know how you would use the command name page, let's just do that one real quick. Name page, our page. And with words in logo, we'll talk about this some more another time, but with words in logo, you put a quote in front of it but not behind it. Okay, so it's kind of weird. It's not like how you usually use quotes when you're writing stuff in English. But anyway, I put that in the command center. Let me make that a little bigger. Text font. Make it bigger. And let's make it like 16. About that. Okay. So that's a little easier to see. So when I say name page, our page, yoink. Now it shows up as our page here and our page in the window. Okay, so that's how the overview stuff works.